Hi everybody, I am here today with a quick flip through video for you of a baby boy mini album that I have just completed. There is no tutorial for this album and nothing is for sale in my Etsy shop. This was an album that I did for a swap on scrapbook.com and my partner requested to have an album for her grandson. So I am using the Echo Park It's a Boy collection. I have the collection pack, the solids, and all of the ephemera. So there's chipboard pieces and stickers and all kinds of stuff that goes in this. So this is 6 inches by 8 inches. It is very chunky. It has a 3.5-inch spine because it has 6 pocket pages. So this is a 12-month or first year baby album. So I have used some Renee Bouquet's pearls and some flowers here. Everything else is part of the collection. So I've got all kinds of things. This is a tag that was part of the swap. We had to put a tag in there, so I just included mine in the back. It's held together with a ribbon closure. Then opening up on the inside, I did make on my Glowforge some of these little pieces. Actually, these are for sale in my Etsy shop, so they will be linked in the description box below. And then everything is actually open at the bottom so that the photos can slide underneath of here. So I have a photo mat for the birth announcement here, and then she can also use this to write things. So whether she wants to put the birth date or, the length and how many pounds he was. So I've left these plain so she can choose to either place photos or she can journal. I've used a chipboard piece to make a swing tab here, and this actually opens and pulls out. Room for photos or journaling on those 3 places. Everything that is on top of these mats is open. Then this slides back in here. Then I have a little tuck spot here that I made from one of the pieces. And I've tucked a little tiny tag in here so she can journal on that. And this just goes like this, and then that swing tab holds it closed. I'm not going to pull all of these photo mats out. They are identical. I'm just going to pull out the first one. The only thing that's different is the piece that's here. So we've got the month here. This is open so she can put 2 small photos or 1 larger photo. And then month 2 is on the back, another piece up here. So those are all 6 photo mats are identical in style. So there is a decorative piece and then one of the months at the top. Moving on to page 2, I have a tie closure here on these little flaps. This is a chipboard piece. This is just one of the cut apart cards. This opens up, room for 2 small photos. She can place photos here if she wants to as well. Then this opens up, and then there's room here for a photo or journaling, and same thing down here. On the next page, we have a waterfall. It is magnetized. So we've got 4 flaps where she can place photos. And if she wants to, she can place photos over top of these cards. But I like to have decorative paper and room for photos, so there is a balance between the two. Another photo mat in the top of the pocket. On this page, we have another tie closure. I put a chipboard piece on top of the card. There's room for photos here. And then in the large pocket, I just put a cut apart card in here that I actually folded into a booklet that she can place photos in, but she can also put photo mat back here if she wants to put more in the pocket. So we've just got 2 of those stuck in there. Another ribbon tie closure here. And then this opens up and it opens up again. So she can place photos on top of this paper or she can leave it and she can decide what she wants to do. I am going to be giving her the extra ephemera to go with this so that when she places her photos, she can add some extra decorations to this once her photos are in, so she can customize it however she chooses. On this page, we have a magnetized flap here, opens up and down, room for photos, and then this is open so the photo will slide underneath. I've got some chipboard pieces and some of the enamel dots from the collection. And then behind this, it's a large ballet band that has another photo mat here, room for more photos or for journaling. I've got some chipboard here, front pocket. I've put one of the cut apart cards, and then I made a small photo mat or journaling card, whatever she chooses to use it for. And there's plenty of space in this album that if she puts lots of photos in it, the spine will accommodate that. This is a swing tab. This opens up, and then this one will open down. Plenty of space here for big photos. This is open and this is open. So she can either place larger photos there or she can put a couple of smaller photos. Again, there is a photo mat in the top pocket. Got a chipboard piece here. This photo mat holds the page closed, so these open up. These are both open. And then this is one of the pieces that I've just matted and used as a decoration. And then I have a photo mat here. On this page, I've got some pieces. This is a sticker. This is a chipboard piece. This one's magnetized. It opens up. Chipboard piece here. It is open, so the photo will slide underneath. And then flipping down, we've got chipboard pieces too that are open. This one is open too. And then these are actually all open, so the photo will slide underneath of there as well. There is another photo mat in this pocket. Then on this page, we need to untie this. This flips open, room for photos here. And then this is magnetized and it flips up. This is open, room for a photo here. And then we've got the pocket here that has 2 cards that I've made into photo mats or journaling cards, whatever she prefers. On this page, I've put a little piece of the chipboard here. This opens up, room for photos. All of these are open, and then it opens down and there's more room for photos there. And then in this back pocket here, we've got a photo mat that's got some of the puffy stickers on the front and then room for a photo on the back. Now she can add more photos to that pocket if she wants to do so. There is plenty of space there that she can add more if she has more photos than what is currently in the book. There is a photo mat in that pocket. And then the last page, we've got a tie closure. This opens up. In this pocket, I have 2 photo mats or journaling cards. And then down here on the bottom of the page, I've got this will swivel, and then this one will swivel too. And then we've got room for a larger photo here. And then on this one, I just have a photo mat, room for photos or journaling on there. She can place first birthday party or whatever else she chooses since this is the end of the album. And then closing up, this is just a bio tag and she can take this out if she wants to and place it somewhere else or leave it out of the album. Since it's not really part of the book for her grandson, it was just more for the swap itself. So this is my Echo Park It's a Boy mini album. Like I said, no tutorial for this one. Is interesting not making a tutorial. It's been so long since I have made an album without making a tutorial. It felt kind of strange, but it was also really fun to make and I really enjoy making baby albums. So thank you so much for watching and have a great day. And Diane, I hope you really enjoy this mini album and filling it with pictures of your grandson.